What's up everyone, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Ian I Gamer Reacts back with another video for you, and this time it's a wrestling hard to watch moments video, compilation of I'm sure extreme and crazy moments, and that's why I've got the two legends of ECW and hardcore wrestling, Terry Funk and Sabu, in the background with the barbed wire surrounding them, because I know this video is just going to be extreme and it's going to be unreal. But let's get into it, folks. But remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on, as obviously that helps the channel grow and I would appreciate it. And also check out my gaming channel, Ian I Gamer 1985, where I do WWE and AEW games and all sorts of other games, GTA and stuff that I'm sure you will enjoy. But let's head into it and see how hard these moments actually are to watch. Let's go. The Diva. Oh! Fucking hell. Massive strike with a chair there. Holy shit, he didn't hold back. Oh! His side looked like it hurt as well there. Jesus. Oh! Fucking hell. Oh shit! Fucking hell, that shoulder's right out there, holy fuck. Oh, look at this. Oh, what a move. The back right off the apron, unbelievable, look at this. Oh! Fucking hell, that looked rough. Is that just incredible? Oh, what a move. Was that AJ Styles? Who it was? Beautiful from AJ Styles when he had short hair. Oh! Right onto the chairs. Your back would be away with it. Oh! Beautiful powerbomb. Right through the table to the outside. That was unbelievable. Oh! Fucking hell. Oh, look at that. Tried the Hurricane Rana there. Not going to work. Oh! Big power bomb there. That shall be alright. That wasn't the worst. Oh, nice kickflip up there. Oh! Attack the arm. That was beautiful. Unbelievable. Oh, look at that. What a Samoan drop. That was one of the best Samoan drops I've ever seen. Oh! Holy shit. Oh! The back would be breaking after that. German suplex. Oh! To the side of the apron. That was beautiful. Look at the size of this guy here. Holy fuck. Oh! Holy shit. Right into the guardrail, the weight there. Oh! Oh, what a kick there. Look at the blood. Oh shit, right through the glass. Holy fuck. No way, no way. Oh! Oh, he looks in pain. 1, 2, 3, it's all over. What a win. What a move. Oh! Fucking hell, right into the top of that bar. Oh shit! Fucking hell. Big shot to the back. Holy fuck. No way. The strength. Oh! Absolutely beautiful. What a move. Oh! Looked like she landed right on her shoulder there. Oh! Right onto the ladders. Holy shit. Oh, there's Gunther, or Walter. Oh, what a chop. Oh, another chop. I used to hate getting the chops in wrestling. Oh, what a boot to the face. I reckon those chops from Walter would be aching. Oh, the knees are going to be sore after that one. Holy fuck. Oh! Oh no! The wicked stepsister. Oh! Holy shit! Oh, look at this! There's going to be some sort of earthquake! Oh! About 10,000 people dead. Tsunami. Oh, what a move there. Unreal. But that was brilliant there. Like, these are unbelievable. These aren't hard to watch. They're brilliant to watch. Give me that for a mini. Oh! Set of letters there. Beautiful pale driver. Oh! Fucking hell. Oh! Did well to get out of the way there. Oh! Oh! Right into the crowd. Couple of Emmons are going to have a sore head. Oh! Fucking hell, what a kick. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Oh, no. Oh, no! Oh! Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Oh, look at this. Oh! Unbelievable though, holy shit. Oh, what a shot, what a chair. She's won it. What a win. Oh, what a kick. Big superplex. Oh, right through the glass and the chairs. Oh! Holy shit. Unbelievable. Oh, look at this big razor's edge. Oh! Beautiful. Oh! Big pale driver. Any on the neck I can't really do. Look at that lovely move. Oh! That is incredible. And a TKO there as well. Beautiful tag team moves done there. Is that Jungle Boy? Oh! Right in the neck. What a spear! Oh! Holy. Unbelievable. Get that win. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what a spear! Didn't go really through it though. You could still use most of that table. I'm sure. Oh, look at this. Oh, fucking beautiful. Oh! Tacks all over the face, all over the ring. Oh! Holy shit. How did he kick out of that? Big superplex. Oh! Right through the chair. What a move. Oh! Oh! That beautiful powerbomb right into the guy who was in the tree of woe. Oh! An exploder suplex. Right into the chair. No way. No way. Oh! Sort of a fail there in a way, but it looked really good. Oh, no way. Oh! Fuck. Just free him off the top. Is that Jeff Hardy? It is. Oh! Was that Mr. Kennedy against Jeff Hardy? Oh no, big powerbomb! Oh, right onto the ramp. Beautiful. Oh, big senton there, right onto the legs. Oh no. Oh! Barbed wire table. Holy shit. Oh, this is going to be good. Look at that table. It's on fire. Big choke slam. Unbelievable. That is insane. Oh! The women have been brilliant in this as well. They're taking all sorts of punishment for play to them. What a spear! Right through the table with the barbed wire and a wee bit of a... Oh! Fucking hell, that was beautiful from AJ Styles. Oh, look at that. Oh! Was that the tax into the mouth? What a move. Oh, he took a really bad hit in his head there. Holy shit. Jesus, the amount I cursed through that video, but that's just my natural reaction to things like that there, because I feel like I'm feeling the pain. But my word, there was some absolutely insane and incredible moments in there from those brilliant wrestlers. Every single one of them you've got to give a lot of respect to, because not only is it hard to get in there, um, speaking from experience, the nerves, trying to remember all the spots and trying to do the moves to the best of your ability. You have to do it in extreme moments. So nothing but respect there for those guys. And honestly, I want to do another one of them because I'm sure there is more videos of those wrestlers doing extreme things, especially with attacks, the fun attacks. You know, they look really sore. You know, and then some of them chair shots and getting pushed through the table. In a way, it makes me glad I don't do it as much anymore. But you know, still a great video and motivates you to keep watching wrestling and things like that there. But folks, I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on, and remember as well to check out the NI Gamer 1985. I really would appreciate it. But for now, folks, you all have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.